A lot of times whenever you're working crochet, you'll need to work in the round, and they will tell you to begin with a beginning ring. To do that, you chain however many they tell you to chain, and instead of working back across the chain, you're going to slip stitch in the first chain, the one right next to the slip knot, and you join it together so that you have a space to work into. It's a ring. So I'm going to work a few single crochets and work over the tail end so you can see also how you can hide it by working around it also as you work this beginning ring. And you just work however many stitches or whatever kind of stitch that they want you to from your pattern, just by inserting your hook into the ring and pulling up the loops and actually working the stitch around the chain and around the tail end that I started with. And once you get to the end of the round, unless you're working in continuous rounds where you would then put a marker right here, but if you're not working in continuous rounds, they'll have you join with a slip stitch to the first stitch that you made. And you just simply insert your hook under both of the loops and pull through, and you have joined your first round.